Welcome to Salem State University, the single sign-on. We are going to start here, salemstate.edu, which will bring you right up to the home page here. And if you take a look at in the upper right-hand corner, the sign-in tab, we're going to click on the sign-in tab. And that's going to bring you right on to the single sign-on page, what we call the single sign-on page, okay? And this right here is what you're going to do. You're going to use your student ID, starting with the S number, okay? It's not your email, it's your student ID, but it's in the format of your email. So let's do this. Move on, we're going to hit the next button. Let's say you forgot your password or don't know your password. Then we're going to click on this feature right below where it says forgot your password. That's going to bring you right up here to the next step. Yep, we're going to enter our email or the username. And again, the email would be that S number, okay? VK, just follow along, and it's going to get you where you need to be. It's going to bring you right into the next step. I forgot my password. Be certain that that tab is clicked. I'm just going to show you. See that? There's a difference. So let's make sure that it's clicked. Not this tab here. We want to say, I forgot my password. Okay, that's very important here. Okay, now I'm going to enter my mobile number here, Q, right from my phone. Hit next. Excellent. So now, when we're creating a password, we need to make certain that we have at least 14 characters. So I'm going to keep this real simple, okay? I'm going to keep this super simple. I'm going to go FALEM, hashtag 1845. Capital T, lowercase O-D-A-Y. Okay, again, let me just repeat. It's going to go capital S, lowercase A-L-E-M, hashtag 1845 today. And notice that I have some different characters in there, uppercase, lowercase, because that's very important. And again, it's at least 14 characters. Finish. Hey, what do you see? Password has been reset. Okay, now we're going to go back to the main screen. We're going to go right back to the main screen. And then we can successfully sign in to Salem State homepage. So we're going to go to the sign in page, okay? And again, here's the format, okay? So it's going to ask for an email format. So we're going to use a student ID, not your email, it's your student ID. This is very important. So it's S065811 at salemstate.edu. Okay, hit next. And then the password that we created earlier, FALEM, hashtag 1845, capital T, O-D-A-Y. Bam. There it is. Now we're in. Ha ha.